morning and welcome. You're watching the CommexFX Daily Outlook for Wednesday, January 14th. The euro declined 0.45% against the US dollar and closed at 1.1777. Yesterday, data showed that the wholesale price index in Germany recorded a drop of 1% on the MOM basis in December. Earlier today, the World Bank slashed its forecast for global growth in 2015 to 3%, down from a 3.2% estimation in October due to disappointing economic prospects in the Eurozone, Japan, and some major developing economies. Additionally, it also increased its economic growth forecast for the US to 3.2% from 3% projected earlier, while downgrading the Eurozone's growth prospect to 1.1% from 1.8%. The pair is expected to find support at 1.1731, and the fall-through could take it to the next support level of 1.1688. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.1839, and the rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.1904. Trading trends in the pair today are expected to be determined by the US advanced retail sales data scheduled later today. The British pound traded a tad lower against the US dollar and closed at 1.5163 after Britain's inflation slipped to a record low on an annual basis in December, thus diminishing expectations of an interest rate hike by the UK central bank anytime soon. The consumer price inflation in the UK tumbled more than expected to a 14-year low of 0.5% on an annual basis in December, following a level of 1% recorded in November. Markets were expecting it to drop to 0.7%. The pair is expected to find support at 1.5089, and the fall-through could take it to the next support level of 1.5025. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.5206, and the rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.5258. Trading trends in the pound today are expected to be determined by the Bank of England Governor Mark Carney's crucial speech scheduled later today. The US dollar weakened 0.43% against the Japanese yen and closed at 117.00. Earlier today, the World Bank trimmed its economic growth forecast for Japan to 1.2%, down from its earlier projection of 1.3% in June. The pair is expected to find support at 116.92, and the fall-through could take it to the next support level of 116.35. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 119.45, and the rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 119.42. Meanwhile, investors would keep a tab on Japan's machine orders data, scheduled in the late hours today. The Australian dollar strengthened 0.16% against the US dollar to close at 0.8166. The pair is expected to find support at 0.8047, and the fall-through could take it to the next support level of 0.8001. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 0.8169, and the rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 0.8246. Going forward, market participants await Australia's unemployment rate data, scheduled in the early hours tomorrow to get better insights in the nation's economy. Gold prices traded lower 0.07% against the US dollar at $1232.10 per ounce, reversing its earlier session gains. Yesterday, gold holdings and the SPDR Gold Trust remained unchanged for the second consecutive day at 707.82 tons. The pair is expected to find support at 1220.43, and the fall-through could take it to the next support level of 1212.86. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1240.03, and the rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 1252.06. CommexFX is now offering a new application. Download the brand new CommexFX TradeMate app right now and receive daily market predictions, suggested market directions to trade on, highlighted best trading options, and more, covering a wide range of markets including energy, metals, indices, and forex, among others. Trade easily, trade successfully. For more information on CommexFX TradeMate app, kindly visit our main website www.commexfx.com. Stay in the know by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, circling us on Google+, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube channel. Have a great trading day.